Ayun, nagbabalik ang buhay vlogger sa DCME 1530, ang Radyo Uno. Of course, guys, sa mga nabitin dyan kanina, ang ating guest this afternoon na inintroduce kanina, the first idol girl group in the Philippines, no other than MNL48.
Singaw ng spato'y sobra ang init, parang nasa toaster ang nadarama. Todo pedal sabay, padyak na buong lakas, di mapigil tulo ng pawis ko. Sobrang haba ng summer holiday, at mukhang di na tayo magkikita. Subukan ko kaya na sa pool magpunta, tumalon ng napakalakas. Kapag may crush ka sa isang lalaki, damdamin ay nag-iinit like summer. Paano na ang aking damdamin? Oh my pumpkin, nandyan ka pala, ang aking pumpkin. Never ever thought that I would find you swimming there, as if I saw a mermaid that suddenly appeared. I was stunned and my eyes were open wide. Oh my pumpkin, my special someone, please take a look at me, even only for a moment. If only you can do a simple way between us is what I wanna do. Yes, it's just what I've been dreaming of. Mga balay naglalaro sa tubig, nagpapalakasan sila ng tasig. Hindi ko na mapigil at ako'y sumali rin, siguradong di patatalo. Kahit pa magbabad ako sa tubig, di mawala ang init ng damdamin. Himalang pag-ibig na ito. You're my pumpkin, though near yet so far. You are my pumpkin, seems like you just figure out what is inside my heart. You're wrapped up in a towel, together with your friends, poolside, reach out with everyone. You're my pumpkin, oh my crush is secret, but only in my mind. Just to see you really brings me happiness inside. But I know that someday, when I look back on today, it's the hottest summer of my life.
Woo! Let's go, love!
Oh my pumpkin, nandyan ka pala, ang aking pumpkin. Never ever thought that I would find you swimming there, as if I saw a mermaid that suddenly appeared. I was stunned and my eyes were open wide. Oh my pumpkin, my special someone, please take a look at me, even only for a moment. If only you can do a simple way between us is what I wanna do. Yes, it's just what I've been dreaming of. Ikaw nga, ikaw ang pumpkin ko.
48.
I love it.
Stay there. Diyan lang kayo,
Wow.
diyan lang kayo. Yan. Wow, that was a beautiful song. What can you say,
I love
Ziley?
it. It's very cutesy.
Cute.
And I love their vibe.
Ang ganda.
ML48, magandang gabi po!
Ayun, ang signature greetings nila. No?
Yeah. Ito naman signature greeting ng Buhay Vlogger. Balik po kayo. Ayan. Okay. There are a lot of audience that been watching our show now because of your guesting, Pwede bang makilala na nila kayo? Pakilala mo muna.
Isa-isa
tayo.
kayo.
Isa-isa.
Hello everyone, I'm MNL48
I-type natin sila. Ayan.
Hello everyone, I'm MNL48 Kat.
Hello everyone, I'm MNL48 Charm.
Hello, magandang gabi. I'm MNL48, Yana.
Hello everyone, I'm MNL48 Ira.
And hello everyone, I'm MNL48 Chef.
Yeah.
Right, ang cute ng mga guests natin ngayon, MNL48.
Yeah, and we're so proud, Bihira kami magka-guest ng mga ganyang kagagaling at saka sikat na mga...
Mga girl group.
Thank you po.
Thank you po.
Yes, and especially their voices, Doc. Parang nagme-melt together. Parang isa lang yung kumakanta. Ganun kagaling yung parang...
Ganda ng blending.
Ganda.
Blending ba or harmony? Not really particular. Ayan.
Yep. Okay, ngayon, ang unang tanong ko, sabi nga nila ni Sherwin, you came from a mall show, right?
Yes,
Yes
po.
po.
Saang mall show siya?
Sa Estancia po, nagkaroon po kami ng ticket selling for our concert po. Upcoming concert po, which is...
MNL48
Dream Beyond
Concert.
Yes, gaganapin po ito sa October 11. Yeah.
Galing. And we're gonna be, sana maka-attend tayo dyan,
Sana naman, bakit naman?
Bakit naman? Sabi ko nga sa kanila, sige, invite mo kami, papasok kami sa exit.
Actually, Doc, alam mo, sobrang dami nilang fans.
Wow.
Kahit pumunta sila sa mga mall, nakikita ko yan sobrang daming fans sila. Kaya, exciting to yung bagong pinopromote nila na kanta, which is kinanta nila kanina, and yung upcoming concert.
Yes.
Oh My Pumpkin.
Oh My Pumpkin. Nice. Okay, ilan na lang ba ngayon? Ilan ba kayo lahat sa MNL48?
Currently, we're actually 16 members, but we will have our new members. Yeah,
And
kaya
abangan niyo
surprise
po
kung
yan.
kailan. Yeah.
Kaya po pumunta po kayo sa concert kasi dun po yung...
So may magbabalik.
May surprise po talaga sa concert. Yes.
Ayun, so ilan ba talaga originally yung members?
So originally po is 48.
Yes.
But actually, 48 is just a brand name since meron po kaming mother group from Japan which is AKB48 and hindi po it means na 48 is dapat 48 members na po.
Ayun, kasi yun ang common misconception natin,
Yes.
Oo.
Pag nabawasan, alam mo, 38 na lang.
Tulad ngayon, 6 lang siya. 6.
MNL8.
16.
Anyway, kayo bang lahat ay nag-audition to be part of this MNL48?
Yes. Of course po.
So, bigyan nyo kami ng konting kwento paano nabuo yung
Okay, let's
grupo
start
niya.
with Shell.
Okay po. Since kami po yung pinaka newest gen, which is fourth gen po, yung naging process ng audition namin is nag-start sa form, then yung second stage is online, then nag face-to-face audition na, which is yun yung pinaka-last stage namin. And doon kami nag-meet
Ng aming mga fourth gen sisters.
Okay.
And meron rin po tayo dito from third generation
Yes
po, which is si
po.
Ate Charm and Ate Kat.
Yes.
So, ilang generations na yan?
Currently po, 4th gen. 4th gen na po yung pinaka-latest. Then upcoming na po yung mga 5th generations. Yes.
Kasi I understand, tuloy-tuloy yung audition nyo for the 5th, right?
Yes.
Ayun. Okay, so paano nyo nabuo yung kanta na yung kinanta nyo kanina?
Actually,
Oh My
yung song
Pumpkin.
po na Oh My Pumpkin is actually a commemorative song na from AKB48, which is yung kanilang 20th single.
Yes.
Ang Oh My Pumpkin po ay nagkaroon ng iba't ibang translation and versions from around the world. Like meron po kami sister groups from JKT48, BNK48, and many more. So magkakaroon po ng Thai version, Indonesian version, and of course, in the Philippines, we have MNL48 for the Tagalog version.
Wow. Nice one.
And
And oh my pumpkin, it means oh my beloved, which is kapag one-sided crush siya actually, na na-met mo during summer. And ayun, like it's a
Tingin ka na sa
memorable
crush
crush.
mo.
Okay, tell me something about your crushes.
Actually,
Bawal
bawal
na
po.
bawal.
Ang crush po namin ay Emin Loves.
Usually, Doc, no, pag sa mga ganito, bawal usually yung partner or parang magka-love life.
Bakit kaya?
Bakit kaya?
Focus, ang tawag doon.
Focus po and
Yeah.
also
Pag may
feeling ko po,
career.
yun po yung parang unique po sa group namin. Yes.
And it's actually part of the tradition ng
Yes.
AKB48. It is
Yes.
practiced po sa lahat ng
Also
sister
sa
group.
sister groups, right? Yes po.
Was practice na po talaga.
May tanong ako sa inyo. What if one of your member is nagkaroon ng boyfriend? Matatanggal ba yun? Or...
We cannot comment on that. Kasi po, ano po kami,
Hindi.
mabait
Hindi,
po
what
kami.
if lang? What if? Matatanggal po ba
Pero
sa member or
usually po,
hindi?
like sa other sister groups, may mga ganong cases po na talaga nasususpend po talaga.
Suspended.
Pero you know what? Nabasa ko yung contract nila, Sherwin. Allowed na sila mag-boyfriend pagdating ng mga 50s.
Menopause na po yun.
Sumabol pa. 50s, Doc.
Okay. So ayan, we wish you good luck. Once again, kindly announce again your upcoming concert para ma-promote natin. We will be helping you promote this concert for you guys.
Yes, and paano mag-avail ng ticket sa mga gusto
Yun.
kumabol pa?
Tama.
You want to watch?
Yes po, magkakaroon po kami ng upcoming concert, a Dream Beyond concert na gaganapin sa Teatrino Promenade, October 11, 6 p.m. And yung ticket selling po is
online
magaganap
ticket
online ticket selling at
September 15.
Abangan nyo na lang po sa website ng MNL48, which is MNL48 Official po. Sa Google, search nyo na lang.
yes po.
Yeah. Also follow our social media accounts, MNL48 Official.
Yes, and of course, baka may gusto silang i-promote, Doc.
Yes.
Ayun.
Go.
Your
Ang ipopromote po namin is yung latest song po namin is Oh My Pumpkin.
Keep streaming, guys.
Keep streaming.
It's available online.
Nasa Spotify na rin.
Any streaming
Yes po,
platform.
any
streaming
Yes.
platform.
Oh my
Okay.
pumpkin.
Sa lahat ba yan ng digital platforms?
Yes.
Apple Music?
Pwede
Google-
din niyo po siya mabay sa mga Apple Pay.
Marami
Apple
rin sa lahat po
Music.
ng streaming. Ano.
Ayun, that's good. I think, okay yun, para updated yung mga fans ninyo na nag-aabang ngayon.
I know, they are waiting for this. Okay, so maraming salamat. Beautiful young ladies, di ba? So, sana po makita namin at mapanood ang concert nyo. And at the same time, we wish you all the best of your careers sa inyong lahat. Okay?
MNL48.
Maraming salamat po!
Balik po. Sabay-sabaw.
Balik po
kayo!
Thank you so much, MNL48.
Okay.
Thank you.
So, ayan. At
Thank you so much po.
walang anuman. Ayan. Thank you so much. Ayan, dyan lang po kayo. Standby lang po kayo. But